This is a Tesla factory located in Austin, Texas. Now, Elon wants a factory that is 10 times bigger than this one. So the project is called TeraFab. In March 2026, he announced this project. SpaceX, Tesla, and xAI all combined, and they're going to do this. In this video, we're going to explore why they suddenly plan to build this huge facility. Before we do that, guys, please hit that subscribe button. I don't have that many subscribers yet, so your tiny action helps me a lot. For years, companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI did not make their own advanced AI chips. They needed a huge number of chips for Tesla's electric vehicles, Optimus robots, satellites, AI data centers, and many other technologies, but they didn't manufacture their own chips. Instead, Elon Musk's companies relied heavily on a small group of semiconductor suppliers such as TSMC, Samsung, Micron, and a few others. For a while, this system worked well. They had the chips they needed, and everyone was happy. But then AI came into the picture. After the AI boom, around 2023 to 2026, demand for AI chips exploded because of large language models like ChatGPT and the growing number of AI data centers across the world. And suddenly, there weren't enough chips to go around, and companies had to wait months or even years to get chips. And there were only a few chip suppliers like TSMC, Micron, and Samsung in the market. Every major company like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon all started competing for the same advanced chips. And the top chip manufacturers couldn't meet what these companies wanted. Still today, as I'm recording this video, they're still waiting in line for chips. So, AI companies' demand for chips is very high, but the chip supply is too low. That's the huge problem going on right now. And the craziest part? Elon Musk was watching all of this unfold and realized that if this trend continued, there would be a massive shortage of advanced AI chips for his companies in the future. Why? Because Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI together will need an enormous number of advanced chips to build their products. For example, Tesla needs chips for its self-driving cars. Tesla also needs chips to power Optimus robots. xAI needs thousands of powerful AI chips to train models like Grok. And SpaceX needs chips for its satellites and future AI computing projects, such as Starmind. So, as you can see, Elon Musk's companies will require an enormous supply of advanced chips in the coming years. That's exactly what he is predicting and what he's worried about. He eventually came to a realization. Existing chip manufacturers might not be able to produce chips fast enough to support his long-term plans. In other words, if they don't produce more of their own chips, it could become a major bottleneck that limits the growth of Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI.
There's a maximum rate at which they're comfortable expanding, but that rate is much less than we would like. We either build the TeraFab or we don't have the chips, and we need the chips, so we're going to build the TeraFab.
In that factory, they are planning to design their own chips and manufacture them. I mean, they are completely aiming for end-to-end chip manufacturing on their own. If they succeed, this will enable them to produce chips much faster for their companies, and they don't have to rely on other suppliers for their important needs. So that's the idea, TeraFab. And manufacturing chips is not an easy process, guys. It's one of the hardest jobs in the world, which is why only a few companies do it. It takes years of expertise and knowledge to pull it off. We'll see how Elon tackles all of these challenges, and it's going to be a fascinating project to follow and see how it unfolds. Currently, as I'm recording this video, the full TeraFab construction has not started yet. They are building and testing a small prototype semiconductor facility before scaling up to the much larger TeraFab. Government approvals are progressing, and orders for advanced manufacturing equipment have also begun. They've also partnered with Intel, which will provide semiconductor manufacturing expertise as the project moves forward. And you can clearly see just how important chips are going to be in the future. If you're a student watching this and wondering what career to choose, consider learning semiconductor engineering or chip manufacturing. The demand for these skills is only going to grow. And if you're an investor or entrepreneur, keep a close eye on the semiconductor industry. As AI, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and data centers continue to grow, chips will become one of the most important technologies in the world. That's it for this video.